Hey guys, what's going on? Mom Hates Well here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a kind of combination lock. It's really compact, kind of. One sec, let me set time, set 0. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a redstone torch, redstone repeater, stone. Well, it doesn't have to be stone, just some type of building block besides glass. And I don't think glass or glowstone will work either. And an iron door. So first you're going to get a 4 by 24 wall. And you're going to just punch out kind of individual pillars like so. Do this really fast. Oh wait, I forgot something. You're also going to need a lever. Sorry. One second. Okay, one away. So when you've done that, and you also have the 2 thick, just leave it like that, don't punch extra holes. So you're going to put a lever in the middle of all of the pillars, besides that one. And then when you're done with that, you're going to go behind here, and you are going to put a block either on the bottom or top. So I'm just gonna do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So what this means is every block that's on the top will mean the lever will have to be up, and every block that's on the bottom means the lever will have to be down. So now you're going to want to take your redstone torch and just put them below put them on every pillar that has a block on the top. Now you're going to want to do the same on the ones that are down, but put redstone on them. And then after you're done with that, you're going to want to put a block in front of everything. Obviously, when you're done, you can like decorate and stuff, but I'm not going to do that because A, for time, and B, it would take too long. Now that you're done with that, you're going to take redstone and put it on top, on top of all of the blocks. And also, this was not my idea. My friend taught me this. Yeah. So after you've done that, you're going to put redstone along. You're gonna have it like this, I think. Yeah, I think I did this right. So you're just gonna put redstone underneath all of it. Then you're gonna take redstone torches and put them on the side of all of the blocks.
It is blowing up. And it's coming right towards me.
Okay. Now that you've done that, you're almost done. Now you just don't think that block or that piece is needed. You're gonna put a redstone torch there. Redstone. Have the redstone go down, out, one more, over, and then put the door here. Well, I guess you could do that. Actually, that didn't even make a difference. I'm retarded. So once you've done that, you now just cover it all up. Make it look out good. Okay, so this is what it should look like from the front. This is what it should look like from the back. I'll just kind of go slow. So if you missed something, you can just go back or just do that. And now, it should be done. This is going to be very embarrassing if it doesn't work. So our combination was down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and it worked. So you can't just like flip all of them because it wouldn't work. You need to like have a different password, and you can do it with like all up or all down, but that would just be the easiest password to guess. So yeah, and when you're done, you can just wall it up so no one can get behind and see what your password is. I mean, you might want to like write it down somewhere, or you wouldn't be able to get it unless you had a pickaxe, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this has kind of been a short video. Hoped it helped. Hunter, did you fart? It smells in here.
Not me.
So, great. You're done. It wasn't even hard. So just walk around it slowly. Now you can wall it up like a little room. Whatever, put like a chest. I don't know. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. It's been Mom Hates Well. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, leave a like, and see you next time. Bye.